French toast. Let's go.
I am my kid's favorite person when I make French toast on sourdough bread. But for real, this French toast is ridiculously good. French toast on sourdough bread doesn't get much better than this. If you haven't watched my easy 15-minute sourdough bread video and recipe, check it out right here. And you'll need bread to make French toast, preferably sourdough, made from your own kitchen. But if your roommate ate it all, or you did, store-bought will work too. And the best part about this recipe is you don't need any fresh eggs to make it. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients right from your pantry. Subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure you never have to worry about dinner or breakfast again. Breakfast is my favorite food group, and syrup. I'm like Buddy the Elf with my love for syrup. But this sourdough French toast will have your family begging you to make it every morning. And with it being so loaded with protein and easy to make, you just might need to oblige them. So we're gonna start with a medium-sized bowl and we're gonna add 1 cup of egg powder, 2.5 tablespoons of dry whole milk, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 cups of water. Now we're just gonna stir it all together. After you've been stirring, it may be a little clumpy, but here's my trick. You're gonna stir it as best you can, and then we're gonna set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes and let the powder absorb all the water. And then we'll come back and give it a good stir and it will be ready to go. So while we're waiting for our egg powder to absorb, we're gonna slice our sourdough bread. So this is my sourdough loaf and we're gonna make the slices about 3/4 of an inch thick. The thicker, the better. All right, once your egg powder has absorbed all the water and looks pretty much like butter, you are good to go. So now we're gonna preheat our pan to medium-low. Spray your pan with some cooking spray. Now we're just gonna take our bread, dip it into our egg mixture, top and bottom, make sure it's completely saturated. Should look something like that. Let it drip a little bit, and we're just gonna put it right onto the pan and repeat until you've filled up your pan. So now we're just gonna let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then we will flip and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Should be golden brown like that. And once both sides are nice and golden brown, we're gonna plate them and continue that process until you've made all your French toast. Top with ghee or butter from butter powder, drizzle syrup over the top, dive in and enjoy. And there you have it. Easy French toast using just shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Your family is going to love this French toast. And it's so easy to make, especially using my sourdough bread. So good. If you love easy recipes, give this video a like and subscribe if you want cheap, easy meals popping up in your feed that you know you can throw together fast with ingredients straight from your pantry. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. So I made this sourdough French toast to serve 10, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get this recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra for leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. Pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.